Well, maybe the Stetson's more my speed anyway. But all that Frenchin' has got me hankering for a good boulangerie. That's bakery in French, which is why we're stopping for brunch at a petite place called Love and Bagels. What started as a farmer's market side hustle has turned full American dream for baker and owner Lisa Schlatt, who makes delicious bagels from scratch daily. This is awesome. Having a bakery in Paris, very appropriate.
Totally.
But you guys don't make baguettes.
We make bagels.
Where did your fascination with bagels start?
I grew up eating bagels in Southern California. Here, there aren't very many bagels, so...
No, it's not really a Texas thing.
No, there really aren't.
What's the secret to a good bagel, then?
Ingredients, the fermentation, allowing it to develop the yeasty flavor.
Okay, start to finish, how long does a bagel take to make?
3 days.
3 days? Holy moly. Whew. Love is essential for that much work. But Lisa makes 9 flavors of bagels with 6 different schmears. And if that ain't enough variety, she also makes bagel sandwiches. Of course, you got the traditional bagel lox with smoked salmon, but others push the bagel border straight into Texas and the realm of brisket. Can we go in the back? I want to see how you do.
Yes, come on.
Let's roll some bagels.
Here we go.
Walk me through this. I've never made a bagel. You've made 3 or 4 million bagels by now.
That's your bottom. Put it down on the bottom. Flatten it out. Very good. Now we're gonna roll it with your hands like this a couple times.
I can make snakes. That was the one thing I could make with Play-Doh.
If you've made Play-Doh,
snakes.
you can totally make a bagel. Pick it up, take that seam, put it in the middle of your hand.
Oh, we're making bagel knuckles.
You want it like
street
this.
fight, man. A bagel's what you want on your fist.
Now take it down and roll. You're closing your seam. They're very forgiving.
Mine looks like a bad herniated bike tire. This rolling's a whole lot of work. How does Lisa dough it? Oh, okay. I'll simmer down on the puns while we ready the bagels to boil.
Okay, Chet, these are gonna sit for the next 18 to 24 hours, but over here we have some that we are gonna boil right now.
Boom. This step, this boiling the bagel, is...
What makes it a bagel? Flavor and texture, because it's bread otherwise. Gently place one end in.
Now, some believe it's the water in New York that makes the bagel so good, but Lisa says otherwise.
Quality products in building the bagel the way that you're supposed to. Ours is a traditional method. You use a wild yeast starter and you let it ferment, because that's the yummy part.
How long do these...
Like 30 seconds to a minute is all it needs.
That's it.
That's it.
My first bagels ever made. Thank you. Now these bake for 20 minutes, but I can't wait because I'm headed straight for brisket breakfast. Chili bacon jam, brisket, egg, and cheese, all on a fresh jalapeno cheese bagel. Très magnifique. Bonjour, Bagel, mi amore. Okay, that's incredible. That's a bagel on another level. The crispy cheese on top, the spicy jalapenos, and then like the sweetness of the jam. I mean, you have a bagel like this and you realize what all the fuss is about. And the ones you get at the grocery store or the big chains, they're not even close to this. It just has a certain, how you say, je ne sais quoi.
You know what that means, right?
What's it mean?
I don't know what. Je ne sais, I do not know.
Oh, quoi.
What?
Well, je ne sais quoi, what I'm saying when I say je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi. All I do know is that I can't get enough. Ah, yes, a little bagel dessert for the road, because why not? Chocolate chip bagel, honey pecan spread. And adieu to any hopes of dieting. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.